how to make a Biggie Smalls t-shirt. Coming up right now. What's up, guys? Gary Ejene, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And in this video, we are going to create a Notorious B.I.G graphic. This is the latter part of March, and back on March 9th was the anniversary of the unfortunate and untimely passing of the late, great Christopher Wallace, aka Notorious B.I.G, aka Biggie Smalls. So I'm gonna do something to honor the brother. All right, we're going to make a t-shirt. Fun fact about Biggie Smalls, or the Notorious B.I.G, is that his original name, in case you didn't know, it was Biggie Smalls, and he legally had it changed, well, at least for his stage name, to the Notorious B.I.G, because there was another rapper who had already laid claims to it. Now, the actual name Biggie Smalls comes from a 1975 classic motion picture called Let's Do It Again. And there was a character in the movie who was a gangster named Biggie Smalls, played by the late, great Calvin Lockhart. Okay, the movie was called Let's Do It Again, came out in 1975, starring the Academy Award winning actor Sidney Poitier and legendary Bill Cosby. Okay, guys, here I teach you guys how to run a business. I know that everyone does not actually know Photoshop and Illustrator, and some of you guys don't want to know it. You want to hire somebody, okay? So I'm going to tell you how to do that with the service called Design Crowd. And if you really want to have that hands-on, you want to learn more how to design, I suggest you go up and click that link and join my t-shirt design school YouTube channel, subscribe, and make that happen. But over here, we get into real straight business. So let's get into how we do that. Okay, we're in Design Crowd. Our really simple process. Get started now. T-shirt design, of course. And we simply name our project Notorious B.I.G Schoolhouse Rock T-shirt design. Task description. Please see attached PDF for details. So simple. Now we're going to go to upload files. Real simple. So I just uploaded the PDF, and I'm going to upload the font also. And there you have it. Continue. Once again, 1 to 3 designs, nothing crazy. Put a little extra express turnaround. You don't need to do that. I'm doing it. Continue. It takes money to make money, guys. We're going to come back in a couple of days, and let's see what we got. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's go. Okay, nice. Nice. I really wanted it to look like the schoolhouse, like this one, like the school, but she wrote training. Why did she write training? Nice. This one is cool. This one, I really like this one. Dumb rappers need teaching. I hope that you got something out of that. I hope you like the t-shirt. If you want to know more about Design Crowd and want to get some dope graphics done, I strongly suggest you go down in the link and click on that link. It's also going to be pinned in the comments. All right, go to Design Crowd and make it happen. And as usual, guys, look at him. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. I wish you guys nothing but the best. Cheers to your t-shirts. God bless. And I am out. Did you know the t-shirt business is a $180 billion industry? Each year, over 2 billion t-shirts are sold worldwide. Hi, I'm Gary Ejene, founder of t-shirthelpdesk.com. In the t-shirt business, unlike industries like Hollywood, gaming, apps, real estate, telecommunications, the bar of entry is relatively low, meaning the startup cost is not millions and billions. A t-shirt business is something that you can literally start over a weekend. And why would you want to start a t-shirt business or any type of business these days? Well, one reason is because the job market is not very stable these days. Between artificial intelligence and automation, a lot of jobs are gonna go bye-bye. And they're not gonna simply be outsourced to people in other countries. These jobs are gonna go to computers and robots. So you can't really blame a senator or a congressman or even the president, and you can't blame anybody overseas. This is just what the corporations are going to do. So not only is the job market gonna suck, but it may be hard to hold on to the lousy one you may or may not have now. Or you could love your job and that one may be on the line soon. So something that you can do is start a side hustle as a little insurance against a very, very uncertain economy. Now, a few years back, I wrote a book that changed lives. Start a t-shirt business or die trying. The ultimate guide to living your dreams and quitting your lousy ass job. Well guys, I've decided to take the book to a whole nother level. Start a t-shirt business or die trying, the master course. It's detailed, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder instructions. It's like having a personal coach walk you through the entire process. A coach that can not only help you set up a t-shirt business, but help you navigate through a very uncertain economy. And the best way to fight a bad economy is to create an economy for yourself. I'll show you how a t-shirt business can be started from home. I'll show you how to set up your own website. So what are some more things you're gonna learn? How to get affordable, dirt cheap graphic designers. It's in the course. How and where to incorporate, get your LLC. Also, what papers you need to get your wholesale license. And how you can legally sell t-shirts on the streets. It's in the course. Learn where to get free hot models for your photo shoots. Yep, it's in the course. You're gonna learn how to set up your e-commerce site. And if you want to, how to use print on demand. This way you can sell t-shirts at zero cost to you. Once the order comes in, you don't have to buy t-shirts, you don't have to buy packaging, you don't have to mail them out. Everything is done for you. You just get paid. It's in the course. We're gonna teach you how to print, design, and sell t-shirts from the comfort of your very own home. How to market your t-shirt company on social media, how to get followers on social media, how to get your t-shirts in stores, and how to get celebrities to wear your t-shirts. It's in the course. You're gonna learn intellectual property, copyright, trademarks, and the use of celebrity likenesses. Yep, it's in the course. Where to get and how to use fonts, stock photos, and clip art. I'm even going to give you the awesome t-shirt element system. It's tons and tons of stock art and clip art that you can use to make t-shirts. I'll teach you how to research the market so you can find what is a hot niche to sell your t-shirts in case you don't know. I'll even teach you how to advertise your t-shirt business on multiple platforms for pennies a day. It's in the course. I'm even going to throw in my Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials just cause. Yep, that's in the course too. Once again, guys, the t-shirt industry is a $180 billion industry. And why shouldn't you get a cut of some of that money? I'm even going to show you the ways to apply to get funding for your t-shirt business. That's right, money to start your t-shirt business. There's simply no course like this online or elsewhere. There's never been a course like this for the t-shirt industry or for the clothing industry, period. Start a t-shirt business or die trying, the masterclass, the ultimate guide to living your dreams and quitting your lousy ass job. So look guys, I'm gonna need you to do me a favor. I'm gonna need you to click the link and go get on the list, because if you get on the list, you'll be grandfathered in at the lower price, because once the course comes out, the price is gonna go way up. So get grandfathered in. Go ahead, click, get on that list, make it happen, and I'll see you on the inside. There's nothing like it, guys. Peace.